Yeah. Chauncey was a dropout, dreaming all day long. Charmaine made the money where the base was strong. Had a boss with a clipboard and a pig in a tie. Now we calling collectors, the job's just begun.
Alright, team. I want y'all to meet an old friend of mine from way back in the day, Mr. Frank McNitty. I brought him on to help collect on federal shit like student loans and those SBA fools who were buying Lambos during COVID. Please welcome Frank and make his ass comfortable.
Hey Frank, welcome to Pennywise.
Look here, little nigga. Look here. I ain't new to this shit. I'm true to this shit. I've been collecting since '85. Probably while you were still swimming in your daddy's nuts.
Damn, I didn't know they had collection agencies back then. I bet they ain't even have credit scores yet.
Yeah, we used to go door to door and collect that money. I used to collect from dope fiends and degenerate gamblers all over Houston.
Frank used to run the JBMs back in the day. Man, y'all was some stone cold gangsters back in the day.
JBMs? I bet that stands for just barely making.
No, dumbass. It stands for Junior Black Mob. Yeah, that's right. I just finished a 25-year stretch, and it's time to get back to business. This time, I'm going legit.
Damn, 25 years? You Jurassic Park old, Mr. Frank.
Okay. Enough small talk. Let's get to work. There's money to be collected out there in these streets. So, let's get it.
Frank, if you need any help with anything, let me know. I'm here to make your transition back into the real world as smooth as possible.
You sound like one of them prison hoes. I don't want your honey bun or your ramen noodles, nigga. Give me 6 feet before I shank your ass.
What's a honey bun?
Prison currency.
Would you two just get a room already? Mr. Frank, let me know if you need any pointers.
Young lady, you better ask somebody about me.
Hello?
This is Frank, and I'm calling from Pennywise Collections. We need a payment on your defaulted student loan, now. Your loan balance is $12,500, and you're $3,700 behind. We need $3,000 today to reestablish your loan in good standing. Right now, it's negatively impacting your credit.
DJ Trump said my loan was going to be forgiven. It was on the news.
DJ who?
President Donald J. Trump. Look it up, pal.
Redhead Kingpin? Look, sir. That fool ain't breaking you off nothing forgiven. You owe the feds. Do you know what that means? Let me tell you something, young man. The feds always get what you owe. The feds always get paid. Ain't nowhere you can go. Nowhere you can hide. In about 2 months, we gonna start garnishing your wages.
This some bullshit. DJ looked me dead in my eyes on YouTube and told me my student loan debt was eliminated.
Look, chump, I need this 3 racks today. I know you got a savings account or a bank account you can give me. Don't make me reach out and touch you over this bread.
Mr. Frank, you can't physically threaten niggas like that.
Let's throttle back a bit, Mr. Frank. You've already violated several FDCPA laws. This is going in the wrong direction.
The only direction I'm concerned about is the direction of my foot into this joker's ass. If I don't get this payment right now, you know who I am, sucker? I'm Frank McNitty. I did 25 years in the feds because I'm about this life. I don't play no games.
All right, that's enough, goddammit. Chauncey, handle this shit.
Tyler, I am so sorry about that.
Look, I can make the payment. Just keep that maniac away from me. Here is my account info. You can take the payment today.
Yeah, works every time. Nothing better than goofy cop, insane cop.
That was one of the most gangster collections I ever seen, McNitty. Great job. Next time, keep it on the level.
Big Dave, you knew this nigga was playing us. He gonna get us all locked up with his crazy ass.
We definitely need to discuss some more subtle ways of executing collection calls.
Y'all some scared ass jokers. You either gonna get this money or not. If the fox wouldn't have stopped the shit, he would have caught the rabbit. Now, let that marinate, motherfuckers.
We might need to send Frank's ass to HR training.
If you're a dead, we come to collect. Give up the money. We don't need respect if you still don't know.